Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a video to your Facebook like page on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a video, as well as a Facebook account and like page. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Before we do that, let's just open up the video before we post. I have a test video on screen. Let's just export this to the desktop. The video itself has now been exported. We can quit ScreenFlow, go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to your Facebook like page. Make sure you are signed into the account. So this is the like page. We can click on photo or video. And now we see a test video. Let's just click on this. So the video we exported 25 seconds ago, let's just add a title to the video. This is a test video. Let's just take the title, add that to the description, add a couple of hashtags, add some keywords. The best keywords are to do with your brand. So we've done all that. Now we can play the video, or we just post the video. We can change the thumbnail, captions, polls, tracking. Click on next. Let's just publish now. We can premiere, schedule, backdate, save as draft. We can also choose where the video will appear, add to a playlist. That's all for another video. Let's just publish quickly today. That may take some time depending on the length of your video. This is an 8-second video, so this should be published relatively quickly. If we scroll, we are still waiting for the video. Let's just reload the page. And now the video itself has been posted to my Facebook like page, Computer Science Video. So we can now quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.